Mumbega wa polisi nakwataga ngutaddeko omusokoto nanjimiriza you man stop nembuza to what's wrong with you musawana ati naga to bring a fire toke take it like this kuba guy na sport nanga nyine gwenjaga naga to what is this is opium smoking opium yes come to go to central police station this time to reach the court jangu to go to police station osebereze court namugati no what not to reach the court siraba kusebereza court to go
ne mugenda
tutuka ku police
to go ne mugenda
tutuka ku police naga to okay that man is very useless hopeless you are standing road you are smoking opium golero mani sife mani I have a ticket you are go take the prison timutwala mukomera nemuga no take the prison at all
no talk
no take the prison at all
baja kutwala mukomera
no take the prison at all to go to central penal court ndio tugenda mu court failo nga bajijja tugenda mu court tuka mu court omulabe nga
mwaka chogo
what is your name
mwaka chogo mzee
what is wait what is your name
bakubuza omulamuzi
my name Abdul Hamad Kibenda twayibo munyarwanda is it to show in fact God at head short to not short to myself educated man and just knowledge a man sensible kimusajja muyivu mpayivu nazira mutali drink a general Blair
are you drink
a general Blair onyaku walaji to not drink a general Blair true Muslim kali drink a drunk beer to not drink a drunk beer true Muslim naga toke settle penal court to reach the court case number 1 smoking opium
case number 1
smoking opium every day every time every week every night
every house
so musango sigweganye yes you say you smoking opium every day every time to be honest as the Republic of Uganda subjection on the Uganda government and other country total share information because voice of revelation omutwago age guli
kutegeza ati
ncho bwenjinywa njagala yange yabamweyana omutwago bera ku level
ya revolution
revolution naga
Nangonywenja abo omutwago gudda ku level kali kyogamba head of revolution
revolution naga it to show in fact God naga toke central penal court to is the case number 1 2
case number 2
no give grade which the politics Tom solo
achi
no give grade which the politics Tom solo toyiwanga ku musolo
ebigambo byokete ebiso byetegeza ati
no give grade which the politics
tegeza ati
ntyo nkusalido musango gw'okubiri towa musolo nemuga nti why not give grade which the politics nti wakisiwa musolo naga nemuga nti no wife no cow no God, no hen, no brother, no mother, no father, no sister. I have no money, no job.
You're not to be in a chimu. Ayagada TV. Omima Sematuli Chinoni.